You bought that humidifier to help you breathe better, to help your child sleep through the night, to add comfort during dry winters. But what if that very device was silently making your health worse? What if I told you that millions of humidifiers around the world are spreading bacteria and mold into homes without anyone realizing it? The real shock? Most people never clean their humidifier properly, and yet they keep using it every single night. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more real-life stories that blend science, emotion, and everyday wisdom. Let's be honest. When was the last time you actually sanitized your humidifier? Not just rinsed the tank, truly disinfected it? For most people, the answer is never. And it's not your fault. No one tells you that water, the same water meant to hydrate the air, becomes a breeding ground for bacteria and mold if not cleaned correctly. You're literally breathing in microorganisms while sleeping, and you think you're doing something healthy. The worst part? You won't even know until symptoms like coughing, allergies, or sinus infections start creeping in. Slowly, quietly, invisibly. Before we dive into the cleaning, let's understand the enemy. Most humidifiers use standing water, which means stagnant moisture sits for hours or days. Now imagine what happens when dust, skin flakes, and airborne particles settle into that water. In just 24 to 48 hours, bacteria begin to multiply. Mold spores latch onto surfaces, and with every mist you breathe in, you're inviting them into your lungs. Sounds dramatic? It's not. It's biological fact. So, the solution is clear. Sanitize it regularly and properly. The best part? You don't need any fancy cleaning products. You likely already have everything at home. Here's what you'll need: white vinegar, hydrogen peroxide 3%, clean cloth or sponge, soft brush like a toothbrush, clean water. And no, we're not going to use bleach. This method is natural, safe, and just as powerful without harsh fumes. Step 1. Empty and rinse the tank. First, turn off and unplug the humidifier. Safety first. Then, empty the water tank completely. Even if the water looks clean, dump it out. That's the first mistake people make, assuming clean-looking water is safe. Now, rinse the tank thoroughly with warm water. You're not cleaning yet. You're just removing loose debris and buildup. Step 2. The vinegar soak. This is key. Now comes the magic. Fill the tank halfway with white vinegar and top it off with warm water. Shake it gently to let the vinegar touch every surface inside. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Here's where most people fail. Maintenance. You should rinse the tank every day and deep clean and sanitize it like this once a week. Yes, it sounds like a lot. But once it becomes routine, it takes just 10 to 15 minutes. Think about it. Would you drink from a water bottle that hasn't been cleaned in 7 days? Then why breathe air from one? Here's a bonus tip. Use distilled water. If you want to extend your humidifier's life and reduce cleaning, stop using tap water. It's full of minerals and impurities. Switch to distilled water, which prevents hard water buildup and reduces bacteria growth. It's a small switch that makes a big difference. What if you already feel sick? If you or your child have been using a humidifier and start experiencing coughs, itchy eyes, runny noses, or unexplained fatigue, don't ignore it. It might not be a cold, it might be your humidifier. Deep clean it immediately and observe if symptoms improve. If they do, now you know the cause. This entire video isn't just about cleaning a gadget. It's about how easily we overlook small machines that directly impact our health. The humidifier is meant to bring comfort and wellness, but only if we treat it with care. Sanitizing it the right way is more than maintenance. It's preventative health care for your lungs. So, the next time you hear that soft humming sound of your humidifier, ask yourself, is it truly clean? Or are you unknowingly breathing in yesterday's bacteria? The choice is simple. Clean it, sanitize it, respect the air you breathe. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more powerful, emotionally driven stories that make your home and your life safer. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community